And welcome to the Deep Dive, because today is Thursday, June 11th, 2026, and tomorrow is the day the entire financial world has basically been holding its breath for.
Oh, absolutely. Elon Musk's SpaceX is finally making its historic public debut under the ticker SPCX.
And we've got this massive stack of financial articles, market analyses, and insider reports sitting right in front of us. Our mission today is to just cut through the absolute deafening noise surrounding this.
Because the noise truly is deafening right now. It is incredibly easy to get swept up in the whole cultural moment and, totally lose sight of the actual market mechanics at play here.
Yeah, we're going to examine this massive $1.8 trillion valuation target. And we'll break down exactly what this mega deal means for broader markets, for index funds, and most importantly, for your own portfolio.
Which is what really matters at the end of the day.
Right. But, the cultural moment is inescapable. This IPO has completely breached the zeitgeist.
It really has.
I was looking through the brokerage data in our sources, and it's surrounded by these just hilarious anecdotes about how retail investors are acting right now.
Oh, the stories are wild.
Like, there are internet jokes flying around about the, quote, SpaceX lunch lady getting wildly rich post-IPO.
Right.
And people are sharing memes about the stock being aggressively marketed at grocery stores. But my personal favorite from the articles, I actually laughed out loud at this one.
Oh, which one?
There's an ex-user who posted that their mother-in-law's Mahjong club is going, quote, all in on the SpaceX IPO.
Wow. The Mahjong Club.
Yeah. Exactly. When the local Mahjong clubs are mobilizing their retirement funds, things have escalated way beyond just a normal Wall Street event.
Yeah, the anecdotes are definitely humorous. But, beneath all the memes, there is a very serious financial narrative unfolding here.
For sure.
The sheer numbers we are looking at in these reports are historic. The IPO was initially targeting a $75 billion raise.
Which is already huge.
Right, but it has met with quadruple that interest. That $70 billion you mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
That is just from retail orders alone.
Wait, really? Just retail?
Just retail. That means regular, everyday people, not the massive institutional hedge funds, are trying to force $70 billion through a very narrow door all at once.
Wow. Okay, let's unpack this. Because that level of retail frenzy, it just doesn't happen in a vacuum.
No, it doesn't.
That cash has to come from somewhere.
Yeah.
Right? Which means if you've been looking at your portfolio this June and wondering why your incredibly reliable chip stocks are suddenly bleeding red, well, this is why.
Exactly. You are feeling the gravitational pull of SpaceX before it even goes public.
Right now, retail investors are so desperate to get in on SpaceX, they are literally actively liquidating their other holdings just to raise the cash.
Yeah, the sources highlight a very specific capital rotation happening right now.
Right, like a massive shift.
Investors are aggressively selling out of major tech shares and semiconductor stocks.
Which is crazy because those have been so strong.
They have. They are abandoning historically strong, reliable sectors specifically to build a war chest for Friday's SPCX listing.